Center for the Rehabilitation of the Paralyzed (CRP) was founded in 1979 by a British physiotherapist, Valerie Taylor. With time, it has become one of the largest spinal injury rehabilitation centers in South Asia, providing comprehensive rehabilitation services for people with disabilities. Bangladesh Health Profession Institute (BHPI) of CRP offers a 2-year full-time MC in Rehabilitation Science program supported by SARC Development Fund. The course is affiliated to the Faculty of Medicine, University of Dhaka, Bangladesh.
I was very lucky to be invited to Bhutan. We joined a meeting of the Board of Directors to share our ideas about the project that we hoped we might receive funding for. Now, a number of years later, it's wonderful to have this opportunity of thanking the SARC Development Fund for the very, very generous support they have given over the last 7 years.
Scholarships are offered to the students coming from the SARC member countries, which are Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. During this stay, the students participate in different religious and cultural programs in a multicultural environment.
Students from Bangladesh and neighbor countries, SARC country, are attending this course. This is really amazing that how multicultural and also different socio-economic varieties of geographical region people are coming in this country and study together. This is really wonderful opportunity for students and also a great opportunity for people with disabilities who are living in Bangladesh and other neighbor country.
Students are taught by full-time local and visiting faculties from overseas universities including the Queen's University Ontario, Canada, and Duke University, USA. The students receive farewell from CRP BHPI at the completion of their course.
Our graduates playing an important role in leadership, management, policy making, academic and research activities in the field of research and rehabilitation in Bangladesh and SARC countries.
It was very much related to my profession, as well as I understood that after completing this program I can do much more better for my profession as well as my country. So I thought to select this program because of all these things.
Foreign faculties also run their classes online.
Masters in Rehabilitation Science at BHPI is a unique program in Southeast Asia as it offers an opportunity to health professionals to develop skills necessary for the development of rehabilitation services, recognizing that majority of population does lack access to rehabilitation services. The contribution of this program is significant both at the regional level but also the global level, as directly contributes to the Rehabilitation Agenda 2030.
The library has collaboration with Breaking Health Science Library of Queen's University. There are about 12,000 books and free access to biomedical and health literature, including e-journal and e-books.
Though this subject is a very newer in South Asia context, after completion of this Masters in Rehabilitation Science program, we will get job opportunity in education sector, rehabilitation sector, research sector, various international and local non-governmental organization in rehabilitation field, and various government developmental sector.
Students enjoy computer laboratory and e-library facilities.
I would like to share with you BHPI facilities. We have library facilities, indoor and outdoor facilities, and good accommodation in the international hostel.
Students also participate in different games and sports which are important parts of their academic life. Participation in wheelchair basketball helps the students to think about rehabilitation better.
It is enriched in its multicultural diversity, and the foreign students like us, it is great opportunities for that multicultural exchange and coordination for the further progress.
All 5 batches participated in study tours across Bangladesh. They visited different rehabilitation organizations and participated in disability study.
I'm very much extremely happy to pursue this course in Masters in Rehabilitation Science because it drives our career in a new direction of health and wellness.
I am very pleased to be here in BHPI CRP for MRS program because we have a student from multidisciplinary background, and especially this program focuses on research. So there's a big opportunity for me to learn about research and get a benefit from this program.
With all academic and well-furnished residential facilities in the 6-storied international hostel.
So on behalf of all of us, all the students, all the teachers, and hopefully in future all those who are benefited by being in touch with people who've had this course of Masters in Rehabilitation Science, we thank you most warmly.